Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 7,948 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering on any of the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So you do have PPF on that full front clip, nothing on the headlights though. So full fender, hood, and bumper, as well as on the side mirror. And you have it on this door edge and then that lower rocker. Scanning the fender. Looks perfect. Here on the wheel. Looking for any curb rash. I don't see any rash. Center looks good. Got the carbon ceramics. Calipers look amazing. Side mirror's perfect. A-pillar looks good. All of that looks nice here on that lower rocker. You have the tiniest little scuff there on that plastic. You're gonna have a couple impacts here on this area from little rocks and things, but very minimal. If you look close here, you see a few. The rest of that quarter panel looks good. I don't see any rash there. That looks nice. Like I said, no film on the headlights. Those look good. Scanning through this. I'm not seeing any flaws there. Hood looks awesome. That looks good. Lighting is really pretty. Get up close to the nose. I'm not seeing anything there. This is a very, very clean front end. I do see a couple rock impacts there. I'm getting underneath. That front end is very clean. Really nothing to complain about so far. This thing is really, really nice. Looking at this wheel, nice and clean. Lower rocker looks good. Door's nice. That looks good. Now if you get close here, you're going to see very light impacts in that area. A couple small chips. No rash on that wheel. Spoiler looks good. That's clean. Car looks really, really good. And then looking at the top, looks good. Got the tempered glass. Don't see any flaws here. This side looks good. Very clean. All right, checking out this interior. Absolutely gorgeous, non-smoker. Really, really clean. If you look close, you can see a couple of fingernail scratches there. Very minor scuffs from getting in and out. You have some typical wrinkles on that bolster. That edge looks good though. The rest of the seat, nice and clean. See a really light fingernail scratch there. A little scuff there. Rest of that wheel looks nice. All of that's clean. Beautiful interior. All right, here on this door panel, looks amazing. That trim looks good. That looks nice. There's a slight indentation here. Maybe something was sitting on that leather. And then right here you can see some little scuffs on the piping. Otherwise, seat looks good. Beautiful interior. Glove box looks nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. And looking here in the back, looks amazing. Nice and clean.